everybody? It's Robin. So I posted some pictures of how I get my locks up like this, and I got a ton of requests for a tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how I keep my hair up and cute and in regs, then stay tuned. All right, just jumping right into it. This is me testing it out, seeing what pieces I want to grab, feeling it out. I'm gonna start on my left side, and it doesn't matter how many locks you grab or how much hair you grab. Just grab a decent amount, whatever feels comfortable for you. Remember, this is a zero tension method, so if it hurts, just let it go, try again, and pull back some more. Then I just tuck down the middle and pull from the opposite side, the same that I did on the left, and just try and cross them as best as you can. See, my hair is short and my hands are short, so it's a little difficult to cross. But as you keep going, everything will tuck right in together. So I'm coming back to the left side and just repeating what I did initially, starting to cross. And like I said, don't worry about those shorter pieces. Going back to the right side and just keep crossing. And we're just going to repeat that down the length of the head. And as you can see, I'm kind of sliding my hands down, just making sure that I'm tucking in all the ends as I go. And I'm gonna do one more. And as you can see, I've done as much braiding as I want to do at this point. So I'm just gonna pull all of my hair together into a ponytail. And the hard part is done. You can pull it and make it a bun on your first time, but I like to just grab another scrunchie and make it a bun with that one. It just helps me keep it tight. There's some little hairs that are sticking up that weren't quite long enough to make the cut. So what I'm gonna do here in a second is grab my bobby pin, which I kind of curve in to help stay into the locks. Just grab the bobby pin and tuck those pieces right on in. And here I'm just rolling my locks around to make my bun. Grab my other scrunchie and pull it on over. Then I'm just gonna pull out whatever pieces feel a little bit loose or they're sticking out. Pull them out and retuck them into the scrunchie. And this is that piece I was telling you about in the beginning. It's a little too short to get into the braid, so I just pull it up, tuck it in, and then I take my bobby pin and just secure it down. If you see any loose pieces or anything you want to tighten up, just pull them and secure them with your bobby pin, and you're all done. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!